Alright, we got a releasable overshot right here. So now it needs to be repinned. To repin these things, you got to take them all apart. So what you do is you turn your core until you get to the assembly hole right here. You take a little punch and you stick it through there to stop that core from turning. And like that, you can unscrew your core cap without the core spinning. Because that little retainer ring jumps over the cap, and that you have to put back on when you reassemble. Core spring. So sometimes when you go to undo it like this, you gotta pull that punch out before you unscrew this so it don't bond up. And then that's how you disassemble it. Not to reassemble it, you line back up your top hole. Push it back, repin it, assemble it back together, ready to go.